Hi, I'm Adam. I'm on the development team for the Tilvus Assistive Interface. This video is going to focus on our cursor control. It should be noted that everything that's being done is accomplished using just a single button. There's no mouse or keyboard being used. I've got John here in control of that button. Our software provides two options for mouse functionality. They're both located in the helm, and the first one we're going to show you is at the top left. It's called the coaster cursor. So as you can see, this spawns circle around the pointer with a rotating short red line. This is going to indicate the direction in which you want the mouse to move. When you're approaching that direction, you can click the button and it extends that line and slows it down a bit for increased accuracy. Another click will start the cursor moving along that line, and another click will stop it and bring up this menu that gives you the different options of what you want to perform at that location. You can continue moving, you can do a left click. If you are right near where you want to be but not quite, you can nudge it in any direction. Clicking more will bring you to other options: dragging, double click, right click, and then more will bring you back to that first menu. So what we're going to do here is right click where we are and create a folder on the desktop. So this menu has come up, and so now we need to navigate the mouse over to where it says New. And you can see it opens up the sub menu, so now we want to move over to Folder. And once we get there, we're going to just left click. And now, because this video is focusing on just mouse movement, we're not going to bother naming this folder or anything. We're just going to move to it and demonstrate our dragging functionality. So now what's happening here is we in essence have our virtual mouse button held down and are dragging this folder. You can see it loops. If we hit the bottom of the screen, it will pop right back up at the top. And every time we stop, we have the option to either keep moving if we're not where we want to be, or release it. So I think we're going to the trash, so we want to keep moving and take it over to the recycling bin. So this one, we're going to choose to release it, and the item has been moved to the recycling bin. So that's our coaster cursor, and we're now going to exit out of there and use our application switcher to go over to Firefox, which is already open. Alright, at this point we're going to demonstrate our Crosshair cursor, which is located just below the coaster cursor in the helm. And this cursor works in a fairly intuitive fashion. You have a vertical line scanning across the screen, as you see. You can click once to slow it down and again to stop it. Same thing with this horizontal line. You can easily see that once you've chosen the location of this line, you will have pinpointed a place on the screen and can again perform the same sorts of click options as before at that location. So we're going to try clicking on Maps. Alright, as you can see, he didn't quite make it. This will demonstrate our nudge function. So we're going to nudge downwards. And a couple more should get it. Alright, now we're there. Now we can perform our left click and it should take us right to that maps page. Alright, there's the Crosshair cursor. We'll use it once more to close out of this window. We're going to need one more nudge to get over there. There we go. Alright, so that concludes our video on our cursor control. You're welcome to visit our website, www.tilvus.net, for more information. And thank you for watching.